Today I'm teaching you how to buy Shiba Inu in Coinbase. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you actually have a Coinbase account, and alongside that you've verified identity, as it could stop you from buying cryptocurrencies. The second thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a payment method. And don't worry if you don't, all you need to do is hit pay with, then add payment method, and put in your bank account or debit card and use that. But as you can see, I have my PayPal attached to it, which is how I put money into my Coinbase. So once that's all done and good to go, you should see the balance come up here. As you can see, I have $34.69, ready to go on to the next step. What you're going to want to do is hit search at the top right, then type in Shiba Inu. It should be one of the top ones, and it should have the picture of the dog. Go ahead and click that. This will pull up the entire chart for Shiba Inu. Then what you're going to want to do is go over to this little buy area and type in how much Shiba Inu you want. So I want $1 worth. I'm going to pay with USDC instead of PayPal, since that's where my money is currently located at. I'm going to hit review order. Once this is done, it's going to give you this, and it's going to tell you that there's a 2-cent fee. So keep that in mind before you purchase it. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and hit buy now, and it's going to pop this up. We're going to wait a few seconds, and that check mark and the paper is going to turn into a check mark saying that the order was successful and saying that we got the Shiba Inu shares. And just like that, we now own 63,661 shares of Shiba Inu, which is basically just $1 worth of Shiba Inu at this current price. To make sure you actually received it, go ahead and hit my assets, see all if you need to, and it should pop up right down here. As you can see, now we're an owner of some of Shiba Inu. If this helped you out, consider subscribing.